We're back with another furniture makeover, but this time we're using Kacha Furniture paint. This video is very special to me. This is the first YouTube tutorial using Kacha Furniture paint, using Kacha Pink color, and I'm actually doing a desk for myself, something I haven't done in a really long time. I haven't created a piece for myself in a really long time, so I'm so excited and happy and ready to go, you know, full of anxiety as well. So I got this beautiful desk at Habitat for Humanity for $40. It has a beautiful leather top that I'm going to keep as is. It's very dusty, it just needs a good cleaning, and I was saving it for months to do it for myself using Kacha Pink color. When using Kacha paint, in most cases, all you have to do is give a deep clean, but there's always going to be pieces that you have to scalp sand and prime. If you're working on a piece that is flaky, that has a flaky finish, you have to sand that off. If you're working on a super shiny piece, you have to give it a scalp sand. But just remember this, if in doubt, if you're not sure if you need to scalp sand or not, just always do. It's always better to scalp sand, it won't hurt your pieces. With Kacha Furniture paint, you can create many different techniques. You can paint in every which direction, you can dab to create texture, you can do pretty much anything you want with this paint, but today we're focusing on getting a nice smooth finish, and for that, all you have to do is paint back and forth, and you're going to get a beautiful, nice, smooth, and modern look. Now that our first coat is completely dry, which took about 45 minutes because it's a little bit cold today in Maine, we're going to apply the second coat exactly the same way, just going back and forth for that beautiful and modern smooth finish, but glamorous. Usually, all you're going to need is 2 coats with Kacha Furniture paint. Sometimes you might need 3 coats, sometimes you might get away with 1 coat, but majority of times you're going to be good with 2 coats of Kacha paint. Over the weekend, I came here and I added a 3rd coat on my desk. The paint is now completely dry. The next step is to add this beautiful morning purple transfer from my line with Resina with Prima. And the reason I'm choosing this transfer is because it's so happy. It's called morning purple. So when I wake up in the morning and I go to my office, I want my desk to be happy and vibrant and just to give me good energy to start my day in a good way. We're done applying the transfer. I really love how this looks. It's very vibrant and happy, and that's what I want for my desk. The only thing I'm going to touch up some stuff here is I'm going to add extra flower here, extra rose here, because I feel like I'm missing some flower here. And this is my desk, so I really have to like every single thing about it. I'm also going to clean up the lines on the drawers where the transfer was applied. I didn't cut this one good, so you can see on the lip there is a transfer, so we're going to paint over that with Kacha Pink. And this flower right here in the middle, I'm going to add some Kacha Pink color with a detail brush just to add more color. It's too white and it stands out a lot. So as I said, this is my desk and I want it to be as I want it to be. So those are just little details that I want to change so I can be in love with this desk like 100%. Now we're going to moisturize the leather. So I got this feed and wax. It's a bee wax. It's kind of old, but I think it will still do the job. The leather is in really good shape and I didn't want to paint over it. I usually paint over them because they're ruined or faded, but this one looks great. I just want to moisturize it and refresh it and have a nice top. The next step is to protect Kacha Furniture paint. Kacha Furniture paint should be protected. It has a nice finish without a protection when you touch it, but really you should protect it using clear wax or a top coat. I will be using a clear wax. This is my formula that I'm working on and it's coming soon. Right now we have a top coat, clear matte top coat, but you know me, I tend to go more with clear waxes, so that's what I'm using today. And I'm using my waxing brush as well. So like always, I'm just going to put it all over, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and keep on going to the next step. And you know which is the next step, my favorite one. Just keep in mind that once you apply the clear wax or a top coat on Kacha Furniture paint, your colors are going to get darker, richer, more vibrant. It's just going to look even better than before it has protection on. And now, magical part, and my favorite part, and that is to add some gold. I'm actually working on gold gilding wax that will be coming out soon. I really, really, really love this desk. It's everything I wanted out of a desk. It's functional, it's big, it's durable, but it's also so vibrant, happy, beautiful, and glamorous, of course. This is a very easy project. All we did is give it a good clean. We added 3 coats of Kacha Pink, some transfer, glammed it up, and of course new hardware, and we were done. I am so in love and so satisfied with the results. I really love the combination of the leather, brown leather, and Kacha Pink color. It brings sophistication to this desk, and overall I am so happy and excited to have such a beautiful desk. After all these years of working hard, I think I earned it. For more information about Kacha Furniture paint and supplies, stay tuned for the workshop that we're bringing you. We're working on it. It's in depth, all explained, what you can do, how you can do. Stay tuned. It's coming out very soon, and I will see you next time. Bye!